is Victoria Cat and I'm a very naughty girl. I don't know why people say I'm naughty, and worse, my stupid girls keep grounding me. They always do that whenever. But what? No 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 no.
Yeah, ma!
Oh 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 oh. Victoria Cat. How dare you goob on the basketball court. Now it's going to take forever to clean this mess up. That's it. Go to the principal office right now now. Oh fine. Ugh, here we go with this naughty troublemaker again. Victoria, this is like the 1000th time that you came to my office. What did you do this time? Well, you see, I goob-bombed the basketball court because my basketball didn't shoot. That's why I'm so angry and rage for that. Then, I blast Fanboy and Chum Chum theme song ear-rape loudly at the cafeteria because I was bored. And everyone is really angry at me for doing this. It's because I want to pull some pranks at the cafeteria. And finally, me and Den blame on Nano for chasing Windows 7 and New Vienna at the hallways, but it's not true. We ended up getting trouble by Mr. Dan, and had lunch detention for a week. So that's all for my whole story. So sorry everyone. Oh 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 ho 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 ho. Victoria Cat, how dare you cause a lot of trouble lately. That's it. You are going to have a lunch detention for the rest of the week. Go to the lunch detention room right now, and don't come out until school is over. Now go. And I mean it. Fine. I'm so freaking over 34 decillion 857 no million 384 octillion 273 septillion 975 sextillion 487 quintillion 347 quadrillion 835 trillion 787 billion 348 million 574,857%. Extremely mad that I got detention when all what I do is having fun. All because I want to pull pranks for fun at school. But they caught me and ended up being here. Every time I do something that I like, but they do not care for me. In fact, I hate everyone in the entire planet at Scratch City. That's it. I must find a way for revenge. But how? Wait, I got it. I remember that I saw on the news about Volcano erupts and destroyed the entire island back on June 2024. So I'm going to create a volcano, slam it with my trusty hammer, and erupt the volcano. So that way the whole town is going to be on fire and they will never live their planet ever again. This is going to be my best prank ever yet. Way better than I create the earthquake and the black hole. But first, let's disguise myself as Melody. Let's do it. Scratch logic activate equals disguise myself as Melody. Now I'll change my voice into Squeak. Scratch logic activate equals set my alto voice into Squeak.
Ha 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 ha. Now I disguise myself as Melody. Let's get out of this place. To the volcano. Whoa, look at the volcano. It looks so huge. I never knew what volcano has become big before, but I remember that me and my flip buddies pals watched the news about volcanoes. And viewers, if you want to know about volcanoes eruption, go on to CP24.com. CP24 provides rolling breaking news coverage of major international volcanic eruptions, often featuring footage and reporting sci. So that way you can show it to your friends if you want. Well anyways, let's get this show on the road. Time to smash it in 3, 2, 1. Yes, I officially smashed the volcano. Look at the cracks. It's destroyed. Now the volcano will definitely destroy the entire Scratch City. Now let's get out of this place. But first, let me turn myself back to normal. Scratch logic activate equals turn myself back to normal.
Now let's get out of here before I'll get burned to death.
Alright guys, today, we are going to play Truth or Dare. The Truth or Dare can lead you some questions. If you want to tell us for a story, let me know. So, who wants to go first? No one? I think I'm not sure to do that, but I can't tell. Ooh, me. I have a great one story. Cat, I dare you to kick a soccer ball right to Janessa Cat's house, because she caused a lot of trouble with Victoria Cat and her friends as well at Scratch City. Do it. Okay. I guess I would try. Oh well, here goes nothing. Alright, let's see how it works. Huh, that's strange. Nothing happens to it. But it looks like a soccer ball got thrown into a distance. This is confusing. Nah, don't worry about that, Cat. There's absolutely nothing is going to happen right now. Not even Victoria Cat and her flip buddies as well. Besides, the soccer ball is right towards the opposite of another place. But don't worry, we are safe for us now. You agree, Cat? You know what, agreed. So let's hope something won't bad for us. Well, okay, I guess we will try another Truth or Dare challenge this week. Well anyways, let's enjoy our relaxations and... What the? Oh my freaking gosh, what is happening? I have no clue, Cat. Wait, what's that? Holy macaroni. Is that lava? But it looks like a lava is coming by. We don't know what's going to get. Guys, what we are going to do? The lava is getting closer and closer. I don't know. But we have to get to the TCCS, since we already have the lava in the system. Guys, get inside the TCCS. We must hurry before the lava is about to burn you up.
Please
Oh my goodness. We are so thankful that the children and we are alive. Recently, there was a massive lava at Scratch City and other surrounding areas including the ocean. And this was a 7.9 lava from Volcano. Penelope Cat, do you remember about how did Volcano create a lava to burn down the city? I'll tell you a story. In the 1997 disaster film Volcano, the city is destroyed when tectonic shifts from the San Andreas Fault crack the Earth's crust. This forms a new volcano in downtown Los Angeles, sending rivers of lava flowing through the streets. The crisis begins with a severe morning earthquake in Los Angeles. Shortly after, several Department of Water and Power workers are fatally burned while investigating underground steam pipes. While superiors dismiss it as a burst pipe, seismologist Dr. Amy Barnes suspects it is an unprecedented geological event, Magma R. The next day, a second, massive earthquake strikes Los Angeles, derailing a subway train. Immediately following the quake, the La Brea tar pits violently burst open, erupting into a new volcano dubbed Mount Wilshire. A river of white-hot lava and volcanic bombs spew out, flowing down Wilshire Boulevard, incinerating cars and buildings, and c. Mike Rourke, the head of the Los Angeles Office of Emergency Management, and Dr. Barnes lead the disaster response. They initially planned to use explosives to create channels in the streets and divert the lava into Bologna Creek, which runs to Th. However, Dr. Barnes realizes the street slopes the wrong way, and the lava is on a path to the massive Cedars-Sinai Hospital. Running out of options, Rourke devises a daring plan. They will implode an unfinished 22-story condominium building to block the lava's path and force it to flow into a storm drain T. While setting explosives, the lava surges into the dead-end subway tunnel extension, exploding upward in a massive geyser of fur. After several tense moments involving a collapsing building and a young boy trapped in the lava's path, the final demolition is. So that's all for the whole story. Hopefully, we can find a new home so that way we will be safe.
Civil authorities in the United States Geological Survey has issued a volcano warning in California for the following counties: San Francisco on the west and south and Los Angeles. This is a code red. I repeat, this is a code red. At 1:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a volcano warning in effect due to a possible eruption of Lassen Peak, and it is about to erupt for the next hours. Evacuate immediately. This is not a drill. If you don't evacuate, you'll die from magma or volcanic ashfall. Extensive ashfall is expected to spread across the area after the eruption. Bring all essential supplies and get out of the area as soon as possible. Civil authorities in the United States Geological Survey has issued a volcano warning in California for the following counties: San Francisco on the west and south and Los Angeles. This is a code red. I repeat, this is a code red. At 1:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a volcano warning in effect due to a possible eruption of Lassen Peak, and it is about to erupt for the next hours. Evacuate immediately. This is not a drill. If you don't evacuate, you'll die from magma or volcanic ashfall. Extensive ashfall is expected to spread across the area after the eruption. Bring all essential supplies and get out of the area as soon as possible.
Oh look, they call us. Anyways, let's gathering everything we need, and then we can head to the 5 Stars Hotel.
Oh, somebody was at the door. Wait here, guys. I'll be back. Oh, hello there, Penelope and Cecily.
Hello, Dr. Anita Cat. We would like to come into your hotel room. My name is Penelope Cat, and this is my sister, Cecile Cat. Along the cheer cats as well. Their names are Victoria Cat, Melody Cat, Ariana Cat, Sakura Cat, Maria Cat, Yui Cat, Penelope Cat, Diana Cat, and Booty. They live at Scratch City neighborhood. So anyways, we would like to come into your hotel room and spend here.
Ok. Make sense. Char, you days coming seed to your hotel room.
Thank you so much.
The guests are here.
Hello, Larry Cat and Fernand Cat.
Hi everyone. It's been forever since you all came. I'm glad that you 10 come to visit us at 5 Star Hotel. Recently, there was a massive volcano at the island, causing Volcano to make a massive lava to destroy Scratch City, and the lava was surrounded at the city. So we have to head to the bus and quickly get to 5 Star Hotel. Now, we're safe in here.
Glad to hear that, Larry Cat. Anyways, let's watch the news to see what's going on.
Good evening everyone. Welcome back to Scratch News. Today, we have a live update. Yesterday, something really bad happened to Scratch City. The volcano creates a massive lava all around the edge of the island, leading to the city. The massive lava was hitting through the buildings and other places. Thankfully, many people survived, but unfortunately, many houses and schools got destroyed and got on fire. And the firefighters have to clear out the fire so everyone will be safe and sound. Let's see what's the new reporter about this. Thank you for the information, Mike. So, the massive lava destroys Scratch City through a combination of physical destruction and extreme environmental hazards. As the molten rock advances, it burns, crushes, and buries infrastructure, while also triggering toxic gas emissions and fires. Now without further ado, let's see what they have to say. The first one is the cute Power Cats. The popular girls at Scratch City community. Here they are.
Well, we are having a chit-chat and playing Truth or Dare challenge game at the soccer field. But suddenly, the massive lava is right towards Scratch City. Even worse, they will cause a massive fire and make the buildings destroy and collapse into million pieces. So we have to get to TTC bus quickly before we burn to death. Luckily, we are safe at home. And the lava isn't coming to our house because it was right towards opposite direction. The firefighters clear out the fire and make sure that everyone is safe. Now, everything at Scratch City was officially ruined. And the constructors has to build the city for so many years. So that's all for our whole story.
Thank you for the information, X-Cat. Anyways, the next person is the Glitter Gals. Here they are.
Well, we are having a great time by having a good picnic and spend some quality time with our friends at the park. But suddenly, the massive lava is coming. And many people are running and screaming because the massive lava will burn them to death, even places too. So we have to get out of here and rush back to the car until the massive lava destroys the places and buildings. And we rush to the 5-star hotel and stay here for the whole year. Sadly, our house didn't make it because the massive lava already destroys our entire house. So that's all happened.
Thank you for the information, Ivy Cat. Anyways, the last person is Principal Sally Cat. Let's head to the next scene where Principal Sally Cat leads to. Okay, we are here. So Principal Sally Cat, can you check the security cameras to see what happened yesterday? If you do, show me.
Wait, I have my computer right here. But sure, let me go onto my computer. Okay, I'm on the computer. Now I will check the footage.
Ha 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 ha. Now I disguise myself as Melody. Let's get out of this place. To the volcano.
Wait, is that Melody Cat? Let me rewind the video.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, I officially smashed the volcano. Look at the cracks. It's destroyed. Now the volcano will definitely destroy the entire Scratch City.
Oh, my freaking goodness. DID Melody Cat did that for the whole time? Oh my freaking gosh. I can't believe that Melody Cat is the one who did all of this. I thought she was a good student in our school, but I was totally wrong. That's so IT. I will send an email information to Penelope and Cecile. There, I sent the email to Penelope and Cecile so they can see it. Anyways, thank you for telling me for information. You may now free, while I announced everyone that Melody Cat becomes a troublemaker and betrays the Cheercats gang.
No problem. Back to you, Mike and Wiz. Thanks, Jack. Now we finally saw the evidence. It was Melody Cat Amble who did this for the whole time. She escapes detention, smashes Volcano with a hammer, and causing a massive lava through Scratch City. Penelope Cat and the rest of the Cheercats will have to pay $1 quadrillion fine by next week. The team is going to rebuild the entire city soon.
Oh my freaking gosh, Melody Cat mother freaking Amble. Words cannot describe why we are very furious at you. I can't believe that you would do some horrible stuff lately. This has got to be one of the worst things that you've ever done. You caused so much damage and fatalities, and I just got a report from Scratch Hospital that many people have third degree all over his skin. There are 85% chance they will die thanks to you. Also, you will get several massive punishments by the Cheercats, and paying $1 quadrillion by the end next week. Or you will be in jail for 4,735,847,385,834,834,348 years. So have fun losing all of your money, you disgraceful monster.
But anyways, that's all for now. Make sure to watch Scratch News for more information around the world. Next week, we will discuss about how Bikarikia becomes a murderer. So always watch Scratch News every day. This is Mike and Wiz, signing off. Oh, and to anyone who watched the video, please turn down the volume because the ear rates will be very extremely loud. Have a good day.
Um, 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 um. Hi, guys. What do you all want from me?
Hello everyone. Do you know what my name is? I'm Larry the Skeleton from the Halloween series. If you want to know why this is warning screen, well, this is an ultimate warning. There's some super and loudest audios that Apple Monkey 74 made on Scratch. So please, turn down your volume. Otherwise, your ears will get hurt and bleeding. Also, credit goes to OMS5 for the inspiration. Anyways, good luck with that.
Lots of people died thanks to you. TikTok is mother freaking liking you. This is one of the absolutely worst things that you've ever done in 99,999,999,999 years. Now we all have to pay $1 quadrillion to clean up the entire Scratch City, even fun places too. And that was committed a massive crime. Or worse, face the death penalty and send you to the prison. And how freaking dare you set the entire city on fire. Many people died thanks to you. What is your freaking problem? What's the matter with you? What in the entire world is wrong with you? That was committed a huge crime and you could go to jail if you do something like this. How could you do such a heartless thing to everyone? You have so gone too far this time in 2023. I thought you were a good girl, but I was complete wrong this time. What? I didn't do it. I was going to explore around the lobby and see new things. Trust me, I didn't create a volcano. Stop lying to us, Melody. We knew that you did all of this by creating a massive volcano to destroy Scratch City, especially theme parks and other rides too. Now our mansion is gone and we have to find a new one thanks to your terrorist behavior. I can't freaking believe you. You have so totally crossed the absolutely frickin' line. You know what that is. So mother freaking it, you deserve the worst pun ish ments ever. I am exploding the Hestruck bombs and then we will give you a punishment. You made all of us super furious you. Give you the worst punishments ever. Cecile Cat, get me a hammer, and Victoria Cat, hold Melody right down to the floor. We're on it. Wait, what? Oh no, not a brutal punishment. Time for the worst part ever. Oh my gosh, Penelope. I can't believe that you smashed my entire body. You all becoming a freaking psychopaths and child abusers. Fix my entire body. Right. No, well. Melody Cat mother freaking Amble, stop crying like a freaking baby. We smash your entire body because what you did was terrorist behavior. If you haven't create a massive volcano and make a massive lava, none of this wouldn't happened. But no, you have to do it. That's it. You deserve the worst punishments ever. 100 freaking punishments. Penelope, you and your friends go give Melody Cat punishments, and then I'll send her to the room. Sure thing, Cecile. Anyways, let's get started. Punishments 1 to 10. No more devices for the rest of the year, even though it's 2026. No more playing fun activities forever. No more dolls forever. No more fun forever. We will confiscating your goo bombs and real bombs. Doing idiotic chicken dance in front of the preschoolers for 24 hours straight. Going to jail for 13,882,950,6,950,293,483,943,573,575,343 years. No more chocolate chip cookies, Rice Krispies, cupcakes, graham crackers, and other snacks that you like. Buying 4 349 novem decillion 873 octodecillion 572 septendecillion 987 sextecillion 435 quindecillion 797 quatuordecillion 594 tridecillion 747 duodecillion 942 undecillion 394 decillion 893 nonillion 578 octillion 475 septillion 847 sextillion 878 quintillion 236 quadrillion 846 trillion 835 billion 845 135,846,546. Books and study books forever and ever until no one believes Jesus. Apologize to everyone on the news how you're a freaking naughty girl. Victoria Cat, you go next.
Thanks, Penelope. Punishments 11 to 20. No more bullying people. No more making fun of us. Calling you idiot. No more getting me into trouble. No more breaking your promise. No more talking smack to people. No more watching the love song Cats, Little Einsteins, SpongeBob SquarePants, The Loud House, and other shows you like. Instead, you are going to watch my favorite shows like Coconut Fred, Johnny Test, and Teen Titans Go. No more s'mores forever. No more sending me to Brazil. Telling the love song Cats about what you did to the volcano. Punishments 21 to 30. No more McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Pizza, Wendy's, Dairy Queen, and a lot more. Getting betrayed by your friends. No more going to college. No more summer or holiday vacations. Getting hit 8,000 goosebumps while doing a break dance. No more brownies forever. No more video games until further notice. No more going on the epic fun field trips. Instead, you are going to one of the boring field trips you've ever seen. No more giving Victoria Cat punishments. Getting sent to BND of Doom logo every single day from Monday to Sunday.
Punishments 31 to 40. No more Roblox, Minecraft, Fortnite, Scratch, GTA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and other games that you like. Getting all up on your report card. Speaking of that, no more swapping other people's report card or make a fake report card either. No more making haters on DeviantArt. No more Discord forever. No more friends forever. Receiving 398,477,387,788,429,968,952,032,904,284 hateful messages forever and ever until no one forgives Jesus. No more playing with your toys. Only playing broken toys. No more going to amazing and epic libraries. No more swearing at us. Punishments 41 to 50. No more hacking other people's devices. No more making Victoria Cat gets grounded on Scratch or YouTube. No more commenting on YouTube. Getting banned from the social media how you're a freaking naughty girl. No more trashing our rooms. No more destroying the world with your goo bombs and real bombs. Going to the most scariest dentist that you've ever seen in your life. No more living at Ivy Cat's mansion. Only live at the beach. You will not going to heaven when you die. Being trapped at the black hole forever and ever. Punishments 51 to 60. Going to military school, winter break school, and summer school when it's closed. No more jump scaring people. No more making little children cry. Being forced to rebuild the entire city until Scratch City has become 99%. No more being crazy, or going insane. No more climbing mountains for 3,485 2,733 1,920,384 no,395 794 857 6,893 20 480 385 754 972,102 years. No more fun camp trips. No more summer vacations forever. No more ice cream forever. Listening to sad music that you don't like. Punishment 61 to 70. Falling down the bottom pit of the earth core. No more creating massive earthquake, floods, hurricane, tsunamis, or wildfires. No more Rule 34. Being arrested by police and FBI. You are no longer welcome to the Love Song Cats' Treehouse Club. Deleting everything in your Scratch profile. No more yeet people into outer space. No more throwing tantrums or crying like a baby. Calling Apple Monkey 74 to rant on you. Be forced to read 42 sextillion 947 quintillion 883 quattuordecillion 173 tridecillion 284 duodecillion 575 undecillion 935 decillion 793 nonillion 732 octillion 932 septillion 759 sextillion 489 quintillion 273 quadrillion 816 trillion 386 billion 482,433,535. Books and documents that are not interesting. Diana Cat, Booty, Larry Cat, Fernand Cat, and Dr. Anita Cat. Now it's your turn to give punishment 71 to 80.
Thanks, Penelope.
Punishment
Punishment
71 to 8. Falling down the most dangerous skyscraper. No more being bound or stupid and lazy.
No more
watching Battlefield 3 models or
No more watching
No more saying a word. Speaking of that, no more being raised
No more
by
being
No more scaring our friends.
No more scaring our friends.
No more scaring the cheer cat.
No more scaring the
Getting your
cheer
channel
cat.
terminated from
Getting
YouTube.
your channel terminated.
No more hanging out with
No more hanging out with
1.0
1.0
No more giving Windows 7 bad
No
names.
more giving Windows 7 bad
No
names.
more
Punishment 81.99. No more trapping people forever. No more smartphones forever. Telling everyone how we can give you punishments. No more salute on plush star. Calling Fred to give you 800 trillion concussions. No more going to aquarium. No more playing golfing. You are not coming with us to the New York City to celebrate New Year's Eve 2027. No more sharing CP on Discord. No more kidnapping Windows 7 or Windows 7 EXE. No more limited screen time. No more meeting new characters. No more drinking water. Only drink sewer water. No more going on the bike ride. No more going to the beach. Having your limbs get eaten by the great white shark. No more winning or losing. No more watching Smile HD. No more pranks forever and ever and ever and ever. And last and final punishment. You are so freaking grounded for. 2 Vigentillion 42 Novemdecillion 484 Octodecillion 305 Septendecillion 835 Sextecillion 835 Quindecillion 8 Quatuordecillion 308 Tridecillion 942 Duodecillion 492 Undecillion 84 Decillion 294 Nonillion 872 Octillion 297 Septillion 893 Sextillion 493 Quintillion 473 Quadrillion 391 Trillion 13,938,403,845 Millenniums. And until Victoria Cat graduates from high school. Which is never. Cecile Cat, carry Melody to her room. I'm on it. Melody Cat. Stop following up a baby. We gave you punishments because you created a volcano and causing a massive lot of it explode Scratch City. In fact, none of us would not forgive you or accept your apology. And guess what? You deserve it, Megatone. Now stop crying and stay in your room right now and jump in with Buddy. Alright everyone, now all of you will calm down. We will stay here for the whole year until Scratch City was rebuilt. The rest of us will pack everything we need, and then we can head to K-Cat and Zoe Cat's mansion. Anyways, now off we go.
Yeah, I successfully made my plan worked. After all of my hard work that I caused a massive lava, the entire Scratch City was gone, forever. I can't believe that I got Melody Cat in so trouble. First, I disguised myself and changed my voice into Melody Cat. Then I escaped detention and smashed the volcano with my trusty hammer. And finally, I changed myself back to normal and got Melody Key in trouble for creating a massive lava. Now everyone will hate Melody Cat and get kicked out of the city forever and ever. At last, justice has been served. And the best part of all, no one will ever know about this. So I win.
Alrighty everyone, we are all ready to pack our stuff. Since we got everything ready, we will head to K-Cat and Zoe Cat's mansion to stay here for a whole year. In the meanwhile, we will order some foods at A&W for us during lunchtime. Since Victoria Cat behaves better and haven't caused trouble for a while, she will come with us and we can head to the Niagara Falls. We will come back at 5 Stars Hotel until Scratch City was rebuilt. And Melody, no A&W is for your punishment for creating a volcano and causing a massive lava. But, I want A&W. Wah! Too bad. So sad. You don't deserve to have A&W because you always misbehave. Now shut up and keep your mouth closed until we head to Canada. Fine.
Looks like Melody doesn't deserve to have A&W tonight. Yay 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 yay. This is the best day in my life. Let's freaking go oh 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 oh. Woohoo.